capital can be achieved.
Ka Joint Action Committee ka berkentup ya ka Nehuta, Nehusu bat Nehusa henne kasngi kala Khang Tala ya ka Kamra Trekam Jong Technical Officer Senior Consultant ka Nehu u Rohit Prasad u balak thungkam bamhok da Vice Chancellor u Prabha Shankar Shukla. Hadin kajing persya jong ka JAC u Prasad ula IT no ya ushabi bat kila yolat ban Khang Tala no ya ka Kamra kabadon ha ka office u BC. Kam hashwa ki dekot jong ka JAC kila penlong da ka jingaki persya ya Vice Chancellor jong ka Nehu da ka jingbam ya trailang bat ka jingbam ya shimbenta ha ka jingalang jong ka Academic Council ka bashispa khatway.
This is our university. We can't allow it to go to drain and somebody driving it to the drain. That is what we are going to fight for, and we'll make sure that from now on, starting from today, and we have started it many months ago, we will make sure that whoever sits in the chair, he functions his duty like he has been appointed for. If a Vice Chancellor has been appointed for, he is supposed to discharge his duty as a Vice Chancellor following Nehu Act, Statute, Ordinance, Rules and Regulations, and also abide by the UGC regulations that are present there.
Ka seng UDP hinin kasngi